In this lesson, we discuss one of the important relation, the relation between central moments in terms of non-central moments, how it is going to be derived. So, for which you consider central moments, for which we consider central moments. So, now I am considering central moments mu r is equal to the formula 1 by n, that is summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into xi minus x bar whole power r. This is what the formula of central moments, for which inside I am adding and subtracting a in this term xi minus x bar. So which is equivalent to be 1 by capital N summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into xi minus a plus a minus x bar whole power r. This is what the term I added and subtracted a, arbitrary point a minus a plus a. So what is xi minus a? It is di. And what is a minus x bar? It is minus mu 1 dash. So I write here the formula and I indicate little bit to understand. Di is equal to the formula xi minus a. If you multiply with fi and divide with n and take the summations, if you do this particular things, then what you will get? That is 1 by n summation fi into di. I am multiplying with fi and then take summation and then divided by n for all the terms is equivalent to be 1 by n summation fi into xi minus 1 by n summation fi into a. Okay, so this is what the term. So 1 by n summation fi di is mu 1 dash. So it is nothing but mu 1 dash. So therefore it is mu 1 dash is equal to 1 by n summation fi into xi, formula of mean x bar. So it is x bar minus, you see here a is a constant, it does not depend on summation. So therefore summation fi it is n which will get cancelled. So it is a. So this is the formula of the, you have to remember, mu 1 dash is equal to x bar minus a. So a minus x bar is minus mu 1 dash. Do you understand this? This is obtained from this result. Right? So now you consider, now I consider here 1 by capital N summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into, this is I am considering di minus a minus x bar is minus mu 1 dash, not plus minus. It is minus mu 1 dash because x bar minus a is mu 1 dash, therefore a minus x bar is minus mu 1 dash whole power r. This is what the result at the end we have obtained. So we come to a conclusion that di is equal to xi minus a and a minus x bar is equal to minus mu 1 dash. So from this now you have to expand the term and get the relation. So this is what the mu r obtained for us, and for which I want to expand it by using the banal expansion. This is what the mu r. So therefore mu r is equal to, now you see here, this is just like banal expansion x minus r a minus b whole power r. R is r n whole power n, x plus y whole power n, x minus y whole power n. The formula nc 0, x power 0, y power n, nc plus nc1 plus column minus, alternatively plus and minus nc1, x power 1, y power n minus 1, etc. This is what the formula, it is going to be expanded. I am using the formula here. We have two kinds of formula. You can obtain, you can learn, but I am using this formula, right? So therefore it is equivalent to be 1 by capital N summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into, this is what the formula. Now I am applying the formula. This is r here, instead of n we have r, so therefore rc 0 and di power 0 and mu 1 dash whole power di power, I am considering r, di power r mu 1 dash whole power 1, mu 1 dash whole power 0. Okay, mu 1 dash whole power 0. Instead of x and y, I am considering y and x. Okay, so that minus rc1 di power r minus 1. I'm decreasing the values of di, powers of di, and increasing the powers of mu1 dash, that is x and y. Mu1 dash whole power 1. Mu1 dash whole power 1. Okay, plus rc2, I'm writing here, plus rc2 multiplied by di power di square, that is di power 2 square, mu1 dash di power r minus 2, di power r minus 2, and mu1 dash whole square. That is what the next term. And minus plus, again minus rc3 multiplied by di power r minus 3 multiplied by mu1 dash whole power whole cube. Okay, that is the next term. Plus rc4 into di power r minus 4 and mu1 dash whole power 4. Okay, and so on, minus plus and so on, plus last term, what I am writing, the last term, it is minus 1 whole power r. It depends on the value of r, it is minus 1 whole power r. It is r is equal to 2, then it is plus, r is equal to 3, it is minus. That is the notation for minus 1 whole power r. And mu1 dash whole power, mu1 dash whole power r. That is what the last term. That is RCR. Last term, right here. RCR plus minus 1 whole power r, RCR, and di power r minus r and mu1 dash whole power r. That is what the last term. R di power r minus r, it is 0. Di power 0, it's 1. RCR is 1. Therefore, it is 1. These two terms are 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So now you remember, this is what the binomial expansion. You see here, 1 by n summation fi into di minus mu1 dash whole power r. I have expanded di minus mu1 dash whole power r. RC 0, di power r, mu1 dash whole power 0. So r plus 0, the term r, that is what binomial expansion. Minus RC1, di power r minus 1, mu1 dash whole power 1. Minus, after that plus RC2, di power r minus 2, mu1 dash whole square. Minus RC3, next term minus. Minus RC3, di power r minus 3, mu1 dash whole cube. Next plus RC4, di power r minus 4, mu1 dash whole power 4. Minus plus and so on. Plus minus 1 whole power r. The last term I am indicating with the help of the minus. Minus 1 whole power r. RCR, di power r minus r, mu1 dash whole power r. This is what the terminology, that is with the help of the binomial expansion I have considered. Now, what you have to do is you have to simplify with easiest manner. So that's what now what I consider. I substitute all the values. I take the constants outside, and only the term, you see, only the term depends on summation is di. Of course, fi is always there. Another value in these, here are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. This is constant, this is constant. This is only the variable which is depending on summation. Summation I is equal to 1 to n. Summation I depends on, that is di power r, di terms are only depends on summation. Here are di power r minus 1, di power r minus 2, di power r minus 3, and so on, di power r minus 4, etc. These are all the terms of di, only depends on summation. Remaining terms does not depend on summation, which are all constants. RC0 constant, mu1 dash constant. RC1, mu1 dash. These are all the terms which are constants. So therefore, what if you, by keeping this particular point in your mind, now I am applying 1 by n, I am multiplying 1 by n summation fi. I take the summation, I multiply with 1 by n, and I do the relation, so that what you will get, RC0 is 1. RC0 is 1. So therefore, now the term here, mu1 dash whole power 0 is 1. So in this, we have only one term, 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into di power r. This is what the first term. Okay. Next, come over here, minus RC1. I am taking outside, RC1 multiplied by I'm writing the term here 1 by n summation fi into di power r minus 1. This is one particular term, and the remaining value is mu1 dash multiplied by mu1 dash. I'm writing multiplied by mu1 dash. What I'm writing. So this is what the next term rc1 and 1 by n summation fi into di power r minus 1. That's what I explained, that summation depends on only the term fi and di. Inside di, outside fi. That's it. And into mu1 dash. mu1 dash is a constant. I have taken outside. You please remember. mu1 dash నేను బయటికి తీస్తాను. ఈ టర్మ్ ఒకదానికే సమ్మేషన్ ఉంది. mu1 dash I have taken outside. Right? And then next term, this is plus rc2 multiplied by, it is 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n fi into di power r minus 2. That's what the term I have taken inside the factor of summation, and then I am taking mu1 dash square outside. mu1 dash square is a constant. mu1 dash whole square. mu1 dash whole square. Plus I write one more term minus rc3 multiplied by, it is 1 by capital N summation fi into di power r minus 3. It is very simple to understand. rc3 di power r minus 3. Okay, and mu1 dash whole cube. So that is what the now mu1 dash whole cube. mu1 dash whole cube. This is mu1 dash square. mu1 dash whole cube. And then and so on and so on. The last term I am writing here, so that I am arranging the terms and I write the last term at the end. So this is what the, if you consider the last term minus 1 whole power r plus minus and so on, the last term plus minus 1 whole power r 1 by n summation fi di. You see here I write the term so that if I cancel 1 by capital N summation fi into, this is what the term, no di term here, di power r minus r, it is 0, di power 0, it's 1, and mu1 dash whole power r, mu1 dash whole power r. So this particular summation fi, it is capital N will get cancelled. So this is what the last term, minus 1 whole power r into mu1 dash whole power r. So if you take only the term, the last one, minus 1 whole power r into mu1 dash whole power r, leave it. Now come over here, now you use the formula. So you see these are the 1, 2, 3 steps are one term, only one term is equal to. Now you see 1 by n summation fi di power r, what is the formula? Non-central moments about any arbitrary point A. Since di is equal to xi minus a, so therefore this is the formula of the rth non-central moment, mu r dash. Now I am writing the formulas. Minus rc1 multiplied by, this is the formula 1 by n summation fi into di power r minus 1, mu r minus 1 dash, r minus 1th moment, mu r minus 1 dash. Non-central moments again, the formula, multiplied by mu1 dash. Now, so I'm erasing this, and so that now next to the term rc2, so I see the term here rc2 plus rc2 multiplied by, now 1 by n summation fi into di power r minus 2, r minus 2th moment, non-central moment, r minus 2. Second, r minus 2th moment, that is means mu r minus 2 dash. This is what the formula, and mu1 dash square. Okay, minus I am writing next one rc3 multiplied by 1 by n summation fi into di power r minus 3. That is the formula of r minus 3rd moment, r minus 3th moment. So mu non-central moment, mu r minus 3 dash multiplied by, this is mu1 dash whole cube, plus I write one more term, just no need to see this particular values, you can write rc4 and mu r minus 4 dash and mu1 dash whole power 4 plus minus and so on, minus plus and so on. The last term you see here, see in the board here, minus 1 whole power r into mu 1 dash whole power r, last one, minus 1 whole power r mu 1 dash whole power r. Okay, this is what the term, last term, minus 1 whole power r into mu 1 dash whole power r, which means in your relations the last term will be only mu 1 dash term, mu 1 dash whole square, mu 1 dash whole cube, mu 1 dash whole power 4, like that, right? So this is what the relation, the relation of the central moments in terms of the non-central moments. The relation ends. You see here, this is what the relation in the board. So I am erasing this one as well, so that only the relation is there in the board, right? You see, please you go and observe what is the relation. I read again. Mu r is equal to mu r dash. These are the central moments. Mu r dash, which are non-central moments. Mu r is equal to mu r dash minus rc1, mu r minus 1 dash, mu 1 dash, plus rc2, mu r minus 2 dash, and mu 1 dash square, minus rc3, mu r minus 3 dash, mu 1 dash cube, plus rc4, mu r minus 4 dash, mu 1 dash power 4, plus and so on, plus minus 1 whole power r, mu 1 dash whole power r. So this is what the relation between central moments in terms of the non-central moments. If I do first 4 moments, it is good enough. Now I am doing, I am substituting r is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so that I calculate first 4 one. So obviously the first moment is 0, mu 1 is 0. If you substitute mu 1 is equal to 0. It is already derived value. So it is mu 1 is equal to 0, leave it. So therefore you will get only 3. That's all. So now I am writing here, I am calculating if r is equal to 2. If r is equal to 2, then mu 2 is equal to, mu 2 is variance. So now you see, now you obtain r is equal to 2. Substitute r is equal to 2 here. Mu 2 dash minus 2c1, 2c1 is 2, minus 2 multiplied by mu 2 minus 1, that is mu 1 dash into mu 1 dash, plus 2c2, there you stop. Whenever you get 2c2, 3c3, 4c4, there you stop. That is the last term. Of course, or else you can substitute here minus 1 whole square into mu 1 dash whole square, mu 1 dash whole square, r is equal to 2. I also explained that. And now you see, first you substitute rc2, 2c2, it is 1, and mu 2 minus 2 dash, that is mu 0 dash. Mu 0 dash value is 1. That is what another value I give you. Mu 0 dash is 1, mu 1 is 0, mu 0 dash is 1, right? And mu 0 dash multiplied by mu 1 dash square. Okay, if you have any doubt, you refer the last term. Mu 0 dash is 1, that is plus mu 1 dash square. And we say refer the last one, r is equal to 2, substitute here, minus 1 whole square plus 1, and mu 1 dash whole square, that is the mu 1 dash whole square. So therefore plus mu 1 dash whole square, this is what the term. So therefore if you can refer the last one, or you can stop whenever you have 2c2, 3c3, that is the last term, 4c4, that is the last term. Okay, so therefore I am writing at the end, it is equivalent to be mu 2 dash minus, this is 2 into mu 1 dash into mu 1 dash, that is mu 1 dash whole square, mu 1 dash square, plus this is also mu 1 dash square. So therefore this is minus 2 mu 1 dash square plus mu 1 dash square. So answer is minus mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. That is what the formula of mu 2. Do you understand this? This is what the relation between mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. This is the formula of mu 2 variance. This is called also the variance. Variance is equal to mu 2. This is the first relation. That is, of course, mu 1 is equal to 0, first leave it, and r is equal to 2. Mu 2 the first relation. And then second relation, mu 3, substitute r is equal to 3. I calculate now mu 3. So if I calculate, if I substitute r is equal to 3, then I will get mu 3. Mu 3 is equal to, substitute r is equal to 3, mu 3 dash minus 3c1, 3c1 is 3 into 3 minus 1, 2, that is mu 2 dash, mu 1 dash. Next, 3c2 again 3. 3c2 is again 3 plus 3 multiplied by 3 minus 2 1 mu 1 dash into mu 1 dash square. Okay, last term 3c3. There I am stopping the value. That is there I stop. 3c3 the last term. That I consider last term. 3c3 is 1. So minus 1 into mu 3 minus 3 mu 0 dash. Mu 0 dash is 1 and mu 1 dash cube. So it is mu 1 dash cube. Mu 0 dash is 1. So therefore mu 1 dash cube. Finished. So hence it is if you consider that is mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash plus this is 3 mu 1 dash into mu 1 dash square mu 1 dash cube. This is minus mu 1 dash cube. So hence it is plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. Here 3 times plus 3, here minus 1. So plus 3 mu 1 dash whole cube. Mu 1 dash whole cube. This is what the second relation. That is mu 3. R is equal to 3. Actually third, of course second. Whatever you consider. Then R is equal to 3. This is mu 3. This is the formula of the relation between mu 3 and central moment. Mu 3 is third central moment and non-central moments. Here all you see are all the third non-central moments. The formula is mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash whole cube. Finished? Now last one more I obtain. R is equal to 4. So if you consider R is equal to 4, what is the relation we can obtain? R is equal to 4. That is mu 4 is equal to. Now mu 4 is equal to. Substitute R is equal to 4. Mu 4 dash. Mu 4 dash minus 4c1. It is 4. 4 into mu 4 minus 1, that is mu 3. Mu 3 dash mu 1 dash plus 4c2. 4c2 value is 6. You calculate. NCR formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So you calculate the formula. So you will get 6. 6 multiplied by 4 minus 2, that is 2. Mu 2 dash mu 1 dash whole square. Mu 1 dash square. That one more term, yeah, 2 more terms. Minus 4c3. 4c3 is value is 4. So 4 multiplied by mu 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 dash. Mu 1 dash. Mu 1 dash into mu 1 dash cube. Into mu 1 dash cube. One more, last one. Plus RC4, that is 4C4. There you stop. We can stop the terms. That is 5 terms we are getting. 4C4 is 1. 4 minus 4, mu 4 minus 4, mu 0. Mu 0 dash is 1. So these two values are 1. Then the only value is mu 1 dash whole power 4. Mu 1 dash whole power 4. You see this power 4, mu 1 dash power 4, or you can write in this fashion. Mu 1 dash whole power 4. Right now, by simplifying the values, what you will get, mu 4 is equal to, it is mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash square, and the last two terms which are same, you see, power 4. This is mu 1 dash into mu 1 dash cube, mu 1 dash power 4, minus 4 mu 1 dash power 4 plus mu 1 dash power 4, that is minus 3 mu 1 dash power 4. So minus 3 mu 1 dash power 4. This is what the relation between mu 4 and that is fourth moment, mu 4 and non-central moments mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash, mu 4 dash. So mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash mu 1 dash square minus 3 mu 1 dash whole power 4. So cube term is not there, remember. Cube term is not there, mu 1 dash cube term is not there. Like that. So this is what the relation between central moments in terms of the non-central moments. And also we have obtained first four relations. Of course, only 3, mu 1 is equal to 0. Since mu 1 is equal to 0, remaining all 3. Fine? Thank you.